What's up, YouTube? Casey here with KCandSonsCards, finishing up our 2019 Donruss baseball break. We got a mega box this video, and then once we finish that, we'll do a separate hobby box video. The mega box has 14 packs in it. It's got 8 cards per pack, 112 cards total in the box, and has a one pink fireworks autograph. Got kind of lucky with 2020. I pulled out a whammy card out of a mega box. So looking for that again. Let you pause the video and look at the odds on that. Had some new subscribers. Appreciate that. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Let us know what you want to see broken, and we'll get to it. I do baseball and basketball, and my nephew does football and some baseball on the same channel, and he'll be having some more football coming up here in a little bit. So got a rated rookie of Loreno. Got our first pink of Herrera. Got a first pink fireworks of Andahar. And these are the backs. And then we have, these are the backs of the base cards and Diamond Kings. All right, so pack one. I don't see any of the variations in there. Rated rookie of Fletcher. It's good to know they still mixed up the cards up and down. Jose Altuve, fireworks. We have a rated rookie of Urias. We have another fireworks American Pride of Fioli. And that's it for this pack. Not real sure. I'll probably put the set together later this week. I know for 2020 it took about 2 hobby boxes and three mega boxes, and I don't think I did too many blasters or hangers. Pretty much got the set with the variations. Got an American Pride fireworks of Wilson and a pink Chris Sale. Clayton Kershaw fireworks. The back is AJ Puck. Nice. Let's leave that one up. And here's the throwbacks I was looking for. They have those. I think that's 86, maybe. Not real sure what throwback to that is. Rated rookie of Hampson. Adam Jones, pink, and a Dominator Martinez. Throwback of Urias. And Devers finishes it up. So probably do leather and lumber next for baseball. I have a couple more hobby boxes that I enjoy breaking, so I'll probably do one of those. Rated rookie of Santana. And we have our first serial number card. It is Rodriguez. It is number 18 out of 19. Huh. Interesting. All right. Then our pink Castellanos and she will make, yeah, fireworks there. Here's a variation of Yelly. I can spot this one pretty easy. That's the big difference between 19 and 20 Donruss. It's very easy to tell on the backs for 2020 Donruss. Check out our videos for that. I'll hit Cardboard Connections up and find the variations in here. Here's a rated rookie of Jansen. And a pink of Wright. Arenado Fireworks. It's a nice card. Diamond King of Baez. So anyway, I'll probably end up putting the set together for 2019 this week and do leather and lumber probably next weekend. Around Father's Day, we'll probably have some more football coming up. My nephew will be doing some of that. Not sure what he's doing, but I know he and his wife do excellent videos for the channel and appreciate them doing that. Chance Adams, rookie card, star border. Ryan O'Hearn, rated rookie, pink. Ronald Acuna Jr., fireworks. Sweet. So if you're putting the set together, I know somebody joined recently and they were putting the set together as well for 2019. If you need some cards, reach out to us on email. KCandSonsCards@gmail.com. I'll also put it in the description. Rated rookie of Loasiga. And we have our auto. This is a pink fireworks auto of Brad Keller. So that's nice. Let me grab a sleeve here. That kind of popped up on me. I wasn't even really expecting it. I do like the mega boxes for the pink autos. Altuve pink, Trey Turner fireworks, franchise features, and Wander Franco on the back. Then a throwback of Richards rookie, and that's just a base. For eBay, for Donruss, I probably will only list the autos. I don't know that I'll list the serial numbers. I might, depends. But if you're interested, again, drop us an email and let us know. Here's a pink Cave rookie card. Trevor Williams pink. Got lots of pinks in here. Pink fireworks Cabrera. And Nolan base. And Whit Merrifield Diamond King. I will do a quick recap at the end. These mega boxes are loaded with pinks. I don't know that it says how many. 16 hollow pink and pink firework parallels per box on average. I think I've gotten more out of that every time. Rated rookie of Bowers. There's an Acuna, Mankato. There's a pink Freeland. Pujols fireworks. Throwback of Grenier. And then that is a variation, Trevor Story. So those are two I caught. I'm sure there's a couple others I missed. If you see something, let me know in the comments below. Rated rookie of Wright. We have a pink Sterling Marty. We have a fireworks of Verlander, franchise features, and Forrest Whitley on the back. Mike Trout base, and Aaron Nolan, Diamond King. All right, almost done with this break. We have Mejia, pink. Pink fireworks of Lindor. Throwback rookie of Lowe. And then I don't know if this is I think this is a variation because it's got the full name there. Ronald Jose Acuna Jr. Acuna Blanco Jr. So I believe that is a variation. But Don't recall seeing the regular base of Acuna. Kopech rookie. Got a pink Yarborough. Fireworks Karachi, American Pride. And base. And last pack. Steven Duger, rated rookie. Scooter Jeanette, pink. Rated rookie Tucker. Juan Soto, Childish Bambino. Nicknames. And a rookie of Tellez, throwback. And a quick recap. Here are what I think are 3 base variations. I know 2 of them. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pinks. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then 16 of the pink fireworks. I pulled that because I'm going to sleeve it up because of puck. Then we had our variation stars border, Chance Adams rookie. And we had a serial number card, number 18 out of 19, Derek Rodriguez. And our auto was Keller. Brad Keller, not numbered. It's not on card. It's a sticker auto. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, everyone. Happy collecting.